In Blackpool, sewer team Steve and Steve are on their way to sort out a blocked drain at a hotel. All's well on the seafront, but it's a different story round the back. The plumbing problems are putting the punters off, and the owner is relieved to see Steve.
How you doing, mate? You got a problem with the drains?
Yeah, I have, yeah.
What's going on then?
Well, the main drain in there appears to be blocked up.
Right, OK, we'll get on with it and have a look, yeah?
OK, thank you very much.
For Steve, it's a different drain, but the same old problem.
Again, it's face wipes, baby wipes, sanitary stuff, just catching on the lips of the drain, backfilling and blocking. Right, basically what we're going to do, we're going to trace it from in the cellar, trace it round to the inspection chambers here, and hopefully jet it and clear it, OK?
Not only does Steve love his job, but he's proud of it too.
I don't know if you've noticed the number plates on the van. Steve, 26, birthday, and obviously the job we do. On the trailer, sewer, I've got a car that says number 1 for poo, and what's the other one? Turd.
This is mine. When he goes skiing, this is what I drive around in.
He wishes. Here, come on.
They say where there's muck, there's brass, but you've got to start with the muck.
Pull that cover up. There's a problem.
The inspection chamber is full, so the boys will need to jet it with high-pressure water. It's an old trick, but it might just work.
I can hear it coming through. Oh, the boys, number 1 for number 2s. There she goes.
Steve and Steve are a father and son team, but Steve Jr. hadn't always planned on following in his father's filth-fighting footsteps.
Well, I went to college first off and did a little bit of plumbing. Not really my bag, to be honest. I like to be outside.
So he just came out with me, and then obviously teaching him the ropes. He got it pretty quick. He works hard. I pay him well.
Well, everyone could do a few more fondulis, but...
Well, there's no pay rise this year.
Because he's spending it on skiing.
I haven't got a lot of money.
The purse strings are not the only thing Dad is watching carefully.
He's a lot cleverer than me. He's an intelligent lad, does well, and I'm proud of him, but I would never say it to his face. Eventually, I want to leave it to Steve. Steve can sort it out and do what he wants, and then I can just carry on skiing.
The lads have cleared the blockage quickly and cleanly, much to the landlord's relief.
Good luck with your refurb as well.
Well, thank you very much, yeah.
Oh, we'll be down for lunch, yeah. We'll be in smell a little bit better as well.
You definitely won't look any better though, mate.
Hey, I'll do the funnies, I've told you. Hey? Right, let's get this cover back on.
With such can-do attitudes, perhaps that sports car isn't so far out of reach after all.